Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as the new version of Chat GPT AI has come out today, August 7th, well, we now know also that the Copilot on consumers, enterprise, Microsoft 365, pretty much everywhere, is now running under that Chat GPT 5.0. So there's an update. Apparently, it's more efficient and better at responses. I've been very wary of using Chat GPT or Copilot for responses, as I've noticed so many mistakes. But I guess as time goes by, it's going to get better. So Microsoft is also doing something that might not please a lot of people. The Xbox app for PC, for Xbox, is now getting Copilot gaming. Yes, Copilot coming to the Xbox app also. So this is something that has appeared in the insider versions of the Xbox app. So if you're using that, if you're like me, a gamer, and use the Xbox app, maybe have Game Pass, well, there's going to be some AI stuff in the Xbox app coming soon. So all using ChatGPT 5, of course. So this is something that's going to be interesting to look at. What is Chat GPT 5? Here we go. Let's ask Copilot. And it's the latest and most advanced AI developed by OpenAI, released on August 7, 2025. So this is, of course, now also what has responded to ChatGPT, to a Copilot that I just asked, as it is now part of your Copilot experience. If you use this, you might see some differences and maybe some better responses. It seems to be much faster than it used to be in the beginning. There was a lot of delays at the beginning when you'd ask for queries. Now it seems to be a lot faster. But yet, the amount of energy taking that's taken just for a small little request like I just did is staggering. Really unbelievable. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.